Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Draw with Lily here, and in this video I'm painting a sunset with palm trees using mainly watercolor paint and ink. And here's how the painting turned out. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see when I upload new videos, and if you'd like to paint along with me, these are the materials I'll be using. So I'm using 2 shades of blue, red, and orange watercolors, black ink pens, and some black acrylic paint and white gouache paint. Everything I use will be listed in the description box below. And the watercolor paper that I'm using is 8 by 10 inches. First I'm using a flat brush to apply some water on the paper, then I mix the darker blue and lighter blue together, and I'm blending it out using horizontal brush strokes and making a mess on my table. So I'm blending out the blue so that it fades out as it gets closer to the center of the paper. Again, I'm adding water to the paper and I mix the red and orange colors together, and I'm applying it on the bottom of the page and blending it out upwards using horizontal brush strokes. After the paint dries, I'm drawing a line near the bottom of the page and filling it in using black acrylic paint. I'm also adding in some hills. Using a small detail brush, I'm making a few lines where some of the palm trees will be. And I'm drawing the palm trees using a Pigma Micron black pen. So for the leaves, I'm just drawing little lines going in the direction of each palm tree leaf. I'm also drawing some smaller palm trees so that it looks like they're further away in the distance. I'm using white gouache paint to make a little circle for the sun. And here's the finished painting. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel to see when I post new videos. And please comment down below what videos you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.